Now we'll be talking about how images work on the web. Before we can optimize images for the web, we first need to understand what we're actually working with. Images online aren't just decorative elements. They affect performance, user experience, branding, accessibility, and even search rankings. So before we talk about optimization techniques, we need to understand what web images are and why they matter. So what are web images exactly? Web images are digital images specifically prepared and optimized for websites and online platforms. They aren't just regular photos uploaded to a page. They're designed to work efficiently in a web environment, meaning they balance quality, speed, and usability. What are web images designed to do? Web images are designed to load quickly, display clearly on different screen sizes, maintain quality while keeping file size small, support user experience and accessibility. They're not just pictures. They are part of a website's design system and performance strategy. If images aren't optimized, they can slow down a site and negatively affect the user experience. And why exactly are images important on the web? Images are not just decoration. They are powerful communication tools. When used correctly, they improve understanding, engagement, and overall website performance. They help users process information faster and create emotional connections with content. Images capture attention. Users don't read websites word by word, they scan. Strong visuals grab attention immediately. They create a powerful first impression, and they guide users into the content. A compelling hero image can determine whether a visitor stays on a page or leaves within seconds. That first visual moment really matters. Images improve understanding. Visuals help people process information faster than text alone. They can explain complex ideas quickly, support instructions, reinforce key messages, and reduce cognitive load. Many users understand visuals faster than paragraphs of explanation. That's why diagrams, screenshots, and infographics are so effective. Images increase engagement. Web pages with relevant images tend to keep users on the page longer, increase interaction, and improve sharing on social media. Visual storytelling builds emotional connection, and when users feel something, they're more likely to engage. Images build trust and credibility. Authentic visuals help build trust. They show real people, demonstrate real products, and provide proof of results. High-quality images make a website feel professional and reliable. On the other hand, low-quality or overly generic stock images can reduce credibility and damage trust. Images also support branding. Images communicate more than we actually realize. They convey mood, tone, style, and brand personality. A luxury brand uses very different imagery than a playful startup. Visual consistency strengthens brand identity and makes a company more recognizable. Images impact SEO and performance. They directly affect both search ranking and site speed. When optimized correctly, they can improve search ranking through descriptive file names and alt text, appear in image search results, and increase organic traffic. However, poorly optimized images can slow down page load times, increase bounce rates, and hurt overall user experience. Speed and optimization truly matter. Images also help with accessibility. When used properly, images will improve accessibility. With descriptive alt text, images support screen reader users, contribute to inclusive design, and help users in low bandwidth environments. Accessibility turns images from decoration into meaningful, usable content. Here's a few final takeaways. Images on the web capture attention. They improve understanding, increase engagement, build trust, support branding, enhance SEO, and improve accessibility. But they must be relevant, optimized, and intentional. Good images enhance usability, but poor images will hurt it. So make sure you're using your images in the correct way.